Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Rapid Rips. Today I have a hobby pack of 2022 Topps Chrome. This is from a light box. So possible black and white diamonds. We'll see what we can find here in less than a minute. Got 4 cards coming at us. Let's do this. See what we can snag here. 4 cards. We got a Zach Short rookie card. We got a refractor of Brandon Belt, a Pete Alonso, and a Max Fried. And that wraps it up for this one, you guys. Thanks for tuning in to Rapid Rips. Later.
Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Big West, he can be center field.